Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to see how we can use email forwarder in DirectAdmin. Let's get started. Open your DirectAdmin panel URL. Enter your username and password to log in. In the DirectAdmin dashboard, look for forwarders in the search bar. Click on Forwarders, sometimes labeled as Email Forwarders. Click on Create New Forwarder. Enter the email address you want to forward from. Example, info@yourdomain.com. Enter the destination email address where emails should go. Example, yourmail@gmail.com. Click Create or Save. DirectAdmin will now forward all incoming emails from the source email to the destination email. Send a test email to the email address you set up. Check if it arrives at the destination inbox. If you face any issue related to GoogieHost, you can directly raise a support ticket. To raise a support ticket, simply go to the homepage and look for the Open Ticket option. Our professional technical and sales teams will review your request and provide you with a proper solution as quickly as possible. I hope this tutorial was very helpful for you. If you have found this helpful, please leave a like and make sure to subscribe to our channel.